Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Glow Slime is probably one of the most captivating and sensory-rich toys you can introduce to any playtime, transforming ordinary moments into mesmerizing, luminous adventures that spark imagination and provide endless tactile fun, making it an absolute must-have for kids and even adults who appreciate a touch of glowing magic in their lives. Number 5. Original Stationery Galaxy Slime Kit. Embark on a cosmic journey with this amazing kit. It's ideal for young crafters aged 8 to 12, offering endless fun and creativity. You can create mesmerizing galactic designs. Watch your creations come alive in the dark. This set includes special glow-in-the-dark stickers and stars to make your slime truly unique. It adds an extra layer of magic to your crafting. Discover the joy of crafting with vibrant pink, purple, and blue slimes. It comes with a variety of glittery add-ins for extra sparkle and personalized touches. You'll love the dazzling results. Foster creativity and imaginative play for hours. This kit provides all the essential supplies for endless entertainment and crafting unique mementos. It's designed to inspire young minds. Looking for a special present? This kit is an excellent choice for birthdays, offering engaging activities and creative exploration. It serves as a cherished memento for any young girl who enjoys hands-on crafting. It includes everything required for a fun and creative DIY experience. From fluffy textures to glowing elements, it's perfect for vibrant crafting. This kit ensures you have all you need to start immediately. What we like. This kit offers a unique cosmic adventure with mesmerizing glow-in-the-dark stars and glittery slimes. If you are looking for a magical, visually stunning crafting experience, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for young creators who love space themes and sparkling designs. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Unable to extract any points as the source JSON was empty. Number 4. Original Stationery Dinosaur Slime Kit. Dive into a world of prehistoric fun with this amazing kit. It's perfect for boys who love imaginative play and creating unique things. Experience thrilling glow-in-the-dark slime adventures. This set brings dynamic dinosaur themes to life, lighting up imaginations with every creation. Foster creativity and reduce screen time with this comprehensive kit. It offers multiple varieties, including glitter and glow-in-the-dark slimes, for endless exploration. Explore exciting themes like lava, blood, and even dino poop. This kit includes special components that enhance the fun and engagement for kids. Delight young creators with a gift designed to inspire hands-on exploration. It's a memorable birthday present for boys aged 8 to 12 who enjoy crafting and discovery. This immersive kit equips young enthusiasts with everything they need. It includes containers, activators, and themed accessories for a fulfilling play session. What we like. This kit brings a thrilling dinosaur adventure to life with unique lava, blood, and dino poop themed slimes. If you have a child fascinated by prehistoric creatures and gross-out fun, this kit is a must-have. It's designed for imaginative boys who enjoy dynamic, themed sensory play. What people say. No reviews available to quote from the provided source. No reviews available to quote from the provided source. Number 3. Original Stationery Glow-in-the-Dark Slime Kit. This kit is designed to spark creativity in young minds. It provides a dynamic and engaging crafting experience for boys and girls. Explore an array of vibrant colors with it. The included mini UV torch enhances the glow, making these creations perfect for experiments and parties. Experiment with various textures using its 24 vibrant add-ins. These include exciting glow-in-the-dark powders, offering a versatile and captivating experience. Preserve the freshness of your creations with the included airtight containers. They ensure long-lasting vibrancy and texture, supporting extended enjoyment. Navigate the slime-making process with ease using its detailed instruction booklet. This guide ensures a seamless experience, enhancing creativity and supporting educational play. What we like. This kit stands out with its vibrant neon colors and a mini UV torch to supercharge the glow. If you are looking to experiment with diverse textures like crunchy, foam, and jelly cube, this offers endless possibilities. It's perfect for kids who love bright, glowing creations and exploring different slime sensations. What people say. No reviews available in the source data to extract points from. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get relevant points. Number 2. Original Stationery Glow-in-the-Dark Slime Kit. Dive into a vibrant world of neon slime with this exciting kit. It offers an immersive crafting experience, captivating children aged 7 and up with its unique glow-in-the-dark feature. Fuel imagination with a variety of add-ins, including glow-in-the-dark powder and glitter. Kids can craft colorful, textured slime, enhancing their playtime with endless possibilities. Airtight containers are included to preserve their amazing slime creations, ensuring long-lasting fun. This kit encourages skill development and sustained creative exploration, making learning enjoyable. A comprehensive guide empowers children through every stage of slime creation. It fosters practical skills and builds confidence, making it a valuable tool for hands-on learning. This kit is perfect for birthdays or party supplies, offering interactive fun for everyone. It encourages family bonding and creativity, making it an ideal present for aspiring young creators. What we like. This kit provides a captivating glow adventure with multicolor neon slime and a wide array of foam beads and glitter. If you appreciate a structured crafting experience with a comprehensive step-by-step guide, this makes slime creation easy and fun. It's ideal for young learners who enjoy following instructions to achieve vibrant, glowing results. What people say. Number 1. Original Stationery DIY Slime Kit. Dive into scientific wonders with this kit. It blends educational STEM experiences with hands-on slime making, ideal for aspiring young scientists. Craft mesmerizing glow-in-the-dark slime with it. Children will enjoy creating vibrant slime experiences that captivate and entertain for hours. Transform any gathering with exciting slime creation activities using this kit. It adds an enchanting atmosphere to parties and serves as a memorable memento. Spark curiosity and critical thinking by simulating a fizzing slime volcano. Kids will discover science concepts through interactive and enjoyable activities that inspire creativity. Unleash creative potential with diverse slime recipes, including cloud and butter slime. This kit offers an educational and entertaining way to delve into science and art adventures. What we like. This kit offers a unique blend of educational STEM exploration, allowing kids to simulate a fizzing slime volcano. If you are looking for a product that sparks curiosity and critical thinking through hands-on science, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for aspiring young scientists who love discovering concepts through interactive and enjoyable activities. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.